Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change name for your wallet on imToken. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in right into the video. First of all, tap open the imToken application from your app drawer. Once you get to the main home page of your wallet, go ahead and tap on your wallet's name at the top. In the account details, you will be able to see the name of your wallet, address, and other options. To change your wallet's name, tap on Name. Enter a new name for your wallet and tap on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your wallet's name on imToken. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.